Jetline welding lathe, sold overseas. Weld trial with cold wire feed and welding positioner, working in conjunction with a height control with AVC. Manuals are provided with the machine, so you can set the machine up. Jetline cold wire feed. Machine also has a tilting bed and tailstock. Cone not supplied for the tailstock, as this is dependent on what you will be using it for. When it comes to the end of the weld cycle, engineer will press sequence stop and keep this held on. Variable speed on the positioner, various settings, auto, manual, forwards and reverse on the controls. There's also controls on the back of the positioner, which current, delay, wire speed. LTEC 304i DC TIG with pulse. Stop sequence, press and hold. That will obviously do your wire, your amps, etc. Functions, speed on the positioner, up and down. Height, motorized height control. For tilting the bed, you must lock off in position. Bed tilts. Please be aware, don't go too far with the tilt, as the control box can move. If you're required to go vertical, then please secure the control box on the machine. Machine will now be disconnected and sent round to packing, ready for dispatch.